Hey, Fixer Upper friends, it's Julie, and today I have an update on the house for you. And we are going to start right where we left off. I was showing you guys last time that we had the drywall installed. The next project we had to tackle was the bathroom that was downstairs. So we went shopping, and this is the vanity we picked out. And these are a bunch of the different floor samples that we were looking at. And we ended up going with Life Proof's Wood Acres Oak. And as a heads up, anything that I can find online with a link, I will be sure to link it down below. So if any of the products we use you're interested in, I'll make it easy for you to shop for it. So I believe since the last time I updated you, there were no can lights. The can lights have been installed. We also have some of the floor trim installed. The boys' rooms downstairs as well as this entryway have all been painted. And I will try to look for the colors, and I will list the paint colors down below as well in case you like any of the paint colors. In my one son's room, we kept it pretty simple with a light gray. And again, all of the trim has been updated and painted. And the doors yet have not been changed in this video, but you'll see at the end that they did get changed. And then in my son's room, he picked a light kind of beige color on 3 of the walls with a really pretty soft blue on the one accent wall. Here's a better view of it. So the floors were just installed today. This is the laundry room. So what we have left to do in here is to still paint all the paneling white. We decided against putting the quarter round because we're going to eventually tear this up and put drywall in here, and we didn't want to have to do that twice and pay for it. And then here is the family room, all finished. I mean, it's not completely finished. There's still a lot of electrical stuff to do, but the floors are finished. And we're getting a quote to have these refinished, or we may do it ourselves. The bathroom, so excited. My brother-in-law is coming today. They're going to be here tonight, and they're going to be redoing the bathroom. And then Zach's room, the floors are done. Paint is done, still some electrical to do. And then Mihai's room is also done, other than electrical. And we're going to be putting a carpet area rug down in here, a different one. But that's the floors. So I wanted to take you back so that you could remember what the bathroom looks like prior to it being renovated. Now, originally we had not planned on doing this right away, but let's see, the faucet ended up leaking. Underneath the sink was leaking. The toilet was super small for my over 6-foot boys, so we decided to just gut it. So day one was to remove everything. We got rid of the toilet, the sink. We tore out all the drywall that had the wall that was tiled because we're getting rid of all that tile, and the floors. However, we are leaving the shower. It has been somewhat updated. It's just white tile. So there's really no reason to invest in changing all of that out when it's a nice tiled shower. We will be adding a light up in the ceiling though, because it is super dark in there.
On here is a little bathroom remodel. Okay, complete gut.
Well, except for the shower, which some people wanted to gut, and it's just too violent to gut things.
Yeah, it's in good shape. You know, it's in good shape. It looks nice.
So what's your plan in here?
Plan is we're going to do some ceramic tile on the floor. We're going to go back with some drywall and get rid of the tile on the walls. That's a little outdated. We all know that. Do some built-in cabinets there. We got some space. Go with the new vent fan, which is our current problem. New toilet, new vanity, new mirror, new vanity light. Bada boom, bada bing. No medicine cabinet. We don't need no medicine cabinets.
No medicine cabinets. What do you think about all this? Do you approve?
I approve, yeah.
Okay. What did we figure out about this light? That's still an issue, huh?
With this one?
Yeah.
No, we're just gonna buy a light for it.
Oh, I thought you were going to put the vent in it.
Oh no, we can't do that because there's the 4-inch.
Well, then we need to get a smaller vent.
Yeah, that's what I just told you. We're gonna have to get a
I
smaller
think
one.
we can make it work.
With a smaller one?
No, with the one over there. We're gonna have to move it between these two pipes, and it's gonna go in between two pipes.
Boss man, give us.
All right, you let me know.
Now, because the space for the vanity is small, we did have to go with a small vanity, and we were so grateful that we found this 24-inch vanity from Home Depot, which I will link down below for you. We also chose this light for over the mirror, and we also chose a matching light that's the same style that will be on the ceiling. So this built-in shelving was a total surprise to me. We did not originally plan on this, but my brother-in-law came up with the idea to use a storage that was on the outside of the house for like garbage cans and stuff. It was so big, it wasn't needed. So we took some of that space and we made some built-ins so that this bathroom has some storage. And here it is. All of the doors have been painted and installed. We also, which I did not mention before, we did take all of the heat, the little heat units, and we spray painted them white so that they blended right in with all of the molding. Here are all the lights in. We also added crown molding to the ceiling in the main family room area. This is the fan that we bought, which I absolutely love, and I believe it was from Home Depot, maybe Lowe's. I will link it down below for you. But I'm loving how bright this room was. If you recall, it was so dark. And here is the bathroom revealed. We used some gray and white ceramic tiles. This is the cabinet. We do have to either change the doors or take them off, which I'm actually thinking about taking them off and putting baskets in it because the door ended up splitting and I don't know, it just doesn't look completely finished. It was kind of quick at the end trying to put something up. And I love the really pretty soft blue of this bathroom. I will link the color down below for you. And we have the new toilet, which is like a large normal size toilet now. The new vanity with a faucet. We added a little bit of tile trim to the back because this specific sink didn't have any backsplash with it. It did, the vanity does come with the sink, but no backsplash. So we just added some tile. This is the same tile that we did an accent in this shower with so that it kind of complements each other. We got a new mirror. Here's the new light fixture. A new vent. Here is that little accent that we added to the shower. And again, it's got light in it, which was, it's such a small thing, but it's such a huge impact. And again, we didn't change any of the tile in the shower because it was fairly new. We did fix some of the drywall up in the shower though. And we did get a new shower head. The door is the original door that was on there already. It was in good condition, so again, we didn't change that. It's all about spending where you need to spend and trying to save where you don't need to spend. And this is the ceiling light that matches the vanity light. Now, in the next episode, I am going to be revealing our entire fireplace, built-in shelving, cabinetry, everything we did to this wall. So you're going to want to make sure you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss that reveal. I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you have any questions, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.